Hello guys, welcome back to Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you add a status into your Google Chat. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to add a status into your Google Chat, you just simply have to open the chat application, and after opening the chat application, you just simply have to tap to these three bars into the top left corner, and from there you will get to see this add a status button just below your activity status. Tap into add a status and then you can select from this four status right here. Just simply tap to any of this status, or you can make your own status. We have already made a video about that. You can watch that into our channel. Just simply tap to any of the status that you want to set, and then you can choose this clear status after. Means whatever time you select into here, your status will be cleared after that. And after doing this much, tap to this check icon into the top right corner, and after this your status into Google Chat will be saved. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.